everyone! It's Dee again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is I'm going to color my hair brown. Again, same color as this one on the bottom part of my hair. As you can see, I need some retouch because it's like more than an inch already, going 2 inches from the roots. So the reason why I wanted to retouch my hair color is because I wanted to do a balayage highlights as well. What is a balayage? It's a hair coloring technique that wherein your hair will look like sun-kissed natural highlights. So that is the color that we're going to achieve on my hair. I am not sure if I'll be able to do it perfectly or if I'll be able to do it correctly, but I will show you guys on the results on how it will turn out after. By the way, the hair color that I'm going to use is the same hair color, which is the L'Oreal Feria, and it's in the color of Downtown Brown High Lift B61. This color is already proven. We're in no need for bleach. You will achieve the exact color as what it shows on the box. This is the exact color that my hair will turn out after. I have a video here wherein I did this last April 2019, so it's been like more than 3 months already that I did my last hair color. So today, again, it's a do-it-yourself or a DIY video, okay? So first of all, you need to wear something that you don't care about. So I'm just going to wear a black spaghetti strap because the hair coloring chemical might mess up with your clothes. I need to section my hair first into 3 layers. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, and then we will divide every layer into 2 parts like this. So let's do that now. So guys, look closely on my hair. My hair is naturally dark black or black hair. This is going to be the first part. Okay, as you can see, my hair is, this is the first part, then this is the second part, and this is the third part. So that would be the same hair division that we will use later when we're going to do our balayage highlights. So my hair color first, and then I will do my hair highlights next. I actually bought this from Amazon.com, and what's inside this, we have
conditioning developer, and we also have the conditioner. This is what we're going to use right after we're done with the hair color, just like your ordinary conditioner. There's an instruction inside that you can refer to, and we also have color gel that we're going to mix with the developer. So basically, you just need to mix this one with the developer. That's included inside the
box, and there's a aromatic shimmering serum that you can also use after color. Of course, you need to wear your gloves, and we're going to combine color gel and the developer. There's a number listed on it. This is the number 2, and this is number 1. I'm just going to pour it inside, and then after I'll shake it. Once it is ready, I just need to remove this small cap on it, and we're ready to go. Since I'm going to retouch my hair color, I need to do the roots first, and we'll set it on for 20 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes, and then afterwards I need to spread it in the middle part until up to the ends of my hair. Okay? Shake, 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 shake. And I need to divide it into 2. I'll divide it into 2. Okay? I think it's ready. There you go. It's ready. So I'm going to do it on the roots first. Hey guys, disclaimer, I am not a professional So if you're afraid to do it on yourself, or if you're not confident enough, if you know that you can't do it yourself, just go to the nearest salon in your area, okay? But I always wanted to do it on myself because they don't usually achieve what I wanted to happen on my hair. That's why I prefer to just do it myself.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with
This is
me.
just how I do it.
Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang
For as
with
long
me.
as to be able to spread
I'm
it
really looking for a friend, so
evenly
spend
on your
time with
hair,
me.
you'll be
Looking for
fine.
someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden.
I don't have the perfect technique, so don't judge me. This is how I actually do it. It's so hard to do it when you're in front of the camera. I don't have a large mirror in front of me, so please bear with me. Sometimes what I do is I will pour it on a container and then I'll just grab some colors on my hands. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
Now, based on the instruction, once you're done with the roots, you can evenly distribute it to the middle part of the hair up to the end. Unfortunately, I'm so alone, so I'm the only one who will color my hair. I guess we're done with the first part. The second part, to divide it by 2, like this. My God, this is so challenging. I don't know what will happen later if I'm going to do my hair highlights, but I'll just leave this on my hair for like 30 minutes and then I'll dry it, and then afterwards I'm going to do my hair highlights, because before I usually the one who do my highlights, because if I will go to the nearest parlor, it's always fail. Yung highlights na magmumukha kang matanda, yun ang gawa nila. Hindi makuha yung, hindi ma-achieve yung gusto kong highlights. Hindi nila makaya. Ako lang ang makakagawa. But I hope magawa ko yun later, because it's been a while since I did my hair highlights. It's really been a while. Before, what I usually use for my hair highlights is the Monea highlight in the Philippines that you can buy in Hortaleza. It can dry your hair, but it does help me achieve the hair color or hair bleach that I wanted, or the highlight. It's just that you need to take care of your hair, of course, to prevent super dryness. And ganda tayo, kahit mag-dry ang hair. Yun ang kaganda. And you should do hair treatments too. And now we're on the third part, okay?
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
1:43 a.m. I usually don't sleep at night, maybe because I'm always on a night shift. I'm a night nurse, so I'm used to being awake every night. So since it's my work off today, I decided to color my hair. So since it's 1:43, I will leave it on for like 30 minutes. So I'll be back around maybe 2:15 a.m. So later on, we're going to use a L'Oreal Colorista bleach for my highlights. But for now, I will make sure that all these colors are controlled kasi sayang naman siya. Hindi ko ito masyadong ibababad sa kulay, guys. Hindi ko na yun papatagalan ng
I don't really need new
40
friends, so
minutes.
spend your time with me.
I'll be
Looking for
back in
someone who can
25
play the
minutes.
wanna
See you in a
hang
bit.
with me.
Hello guys, I'm back and this is our finished hair color look. See? I know it's not perfect, it's not evenly distributed because I'm not that great when distributing the hair color all throughout, but still it went out so pretty. It was brown hair color all over. As you can see, the black spots here, or on the previous footage, it was black all over, but it was totally brown now. See, I told you we're going to achieve what is exactly on the box. See. L'Oreal Feria hair color is really honest about how it will turn out after, or how it will look like after your hair color. See, there's a before and after, but I must admit that my hair is not a virgin hair. Ever since I'm really into hair coloring, so I don't know on how it will turn out if you have a virgin hair, but in my case, it turned out perfectly.
Perfectly what I was expecting. So let's see at the back.
Hindi nga lang siya ganun kapantay, guys, but still I was able to achieve the hair color that I was expecting. Also guys, I still want to do my highlights even though this is already perfect for me. Even though ang ganda na ng kinalabasan ng kulay, gusto ko pa rin mag-highlights. Ewan ko ba. I really love the balayage highlights and I wanted to do it for myself. I wanted to do a do-it-yourself video on how to balayage your hair. So that's going to be the second part of our video. And since I was able to dry it all throughout, it's the perfect time to do the highlights on it. So ayan siya. Saka, it's really soft. The conditioner that's provided inside this box is really soft to your hair. You can actually use it as an everyday conditioner. You can feel that your hair will be bouncy and soft. And I can attest to that because I've been using their conditioner. Sobrang matipid ako sa conditioner, as in pa konti-konti lang. But you can see the difference if you're going to use their L'Oreal Feria conditioner. Okay. So our next part would be how to DIY highlights or balayage your hair. And I hope that it will turn out as what I wanted it to be. I hope that I'll be able to execute, or I'll be able to do it perfectly or properly on my hair, or else Baka magsisi ako, guys. So, let's go ahead and do the second part. This is our finished hair color after doing the L'Oreal Feria.
Hello guys, I'm not able to fit in the second part of the video, which is a balayage technique tutorial. If you would like to see how I did my balayage hair, please watch the second video or the next suggested video on this clip. Bleach can definitely dry your hair, so you need to load it with hair treatment after. Just an advice. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing now for more videos like this. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to drop it down below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!